Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you of the new Chanel holiday set. If you saw my previous video, which was a shopping vlog in Bloomingdale's, you saw me carrying around this little brown bag, and if you were wondering what I got, it was this Chanel set. I tried to purchase something from this holiday collection online like I did last year. However, everything was sold out super fast, so I decided to go in person, and since I was near Bloomingdale's, I just stopped by their makeup department, and unfortunately all the other sets were completely sold out. However, they still had a few of these available, so let me show you what I picked up. Ta-da! And they also gave me a couple samples to go along with this purchase. So this is the set. I really like the packaging this year. It's gold color and has kind of like a slightly raised logo and gift boxes. Very pretty. So as you can see, it says Always Brilliant Lipgloss Trio, and I believe this was either the most expensive one out of all of them or one of the most expensive sets. So as you can see here, it says it's Always Brilliant Lip Gloss Trio, gives lips maximum shimmer. So these three lip glosses come in 119 Bourgeoisie, 712 Melted Honey, and 722 Noche Moscata colors. So let's open it up. And if you guys remember, I did the unboxing last year, and the little pouch, I really liked the one they had last year. It was like a three-dimensional tweed. This one is, I'd say, a little more subtle, not as three-dimensional as the other one was, meaning the tweed was like really, you can feel the texture. This one is a little bit more flat. However, it's a beautiful dark blue navy color with a little bit of black specks and gold. And as you can see, this is like I'd say champagne gold color logo. And we have a zipper with Chanel written on it. And as you can see, this year there's no little loops here. Back in the day, they used to have loops on the sides, and that's why a lot of people converted these to little handbags. However, I believe the last year's one did not have loops either, but to me, I would never wear these as a bag. I would never use them as anything other than what they are, which is the makeup pouches. And so for me, it's absolutely fine that they do not have these loops. So let's see what's inside. And I mean, we already know there's 3 lip glosses on the inside, and I already told you guys the 3 colors: Melted Honey, Noche Moscata, and Bourgeoisie. Numbers 712, 722, and 119. And then there's some tissue paper. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the inside. Just like a satin, smooth fabric interior. There you go. Hopefully I focused on what it says on the little taggy. It's really cute. It looks kind of like a night sky with some stars. That's what it reminds me of, color-wise. And so let's take a look at these lip glosses. The first one I'm gonna open is the Melted Honey. It's a beautiful shimmery gold color. This could be used as a top coat. Let's say if you put like a matte lipstick and you want to add some shine to it, you can always put one coat of this on top. Or if you want like a more subtle shimmer on your lips, then you can just use it by itself. So that's that. Here the next one is Noche Moscata. This color looks like a very nice, closer to a nude, natural lip color. I think this one I'm gonna use a lot. I think it will kind of go with anything, more like a daily type of color. Very subtle, very natural. And the last one we have is Bourgeoisie. I also really like this color as well. It is definitely one of my colors, the color that suits my skin tone. It can also be worn on a daily basis. I think it's not too loud. Closer to like a natural lip color as well, but not as nude as this one. And I really like how I can see a lot of shimmer in this one. I do really like shimmery lipsticks and lip glosses. Anything that has a little bit of sparkle in it, I really like. So this is it for my quick unboxing of the Always Brilliant Lip Gloss Trio holiday set by Chanel, and I hope you enjoyed this. I know these are not available on the website anymore as of right now. However, you can still go to the department stores and ask about these, and there's a good chance that you can still get them in any of the department stores that carry Chanel makeup. So I'm very happy with this set. I think I'm gonna use this. I love lip glosses, and I'm really happy that they had this one left in stock. The one I was really after was the set that had a mascara and the eyeliner. However, that one was completely sold out. I might still try to check out other stores to see if any of them have any leftover in stock. However, if this is the only one I'm able to get this year, I'm still pretty happy with it. So guys, let me know in the comments down below if you were able to score any of these this year and which one of the sets was your favorite. And of course, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will be so happy to see you in my next videos. Bye bye!